Hey, it's V and you're watching Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Today we're making a treat pouch which you can also use for Happy Mail. That's exactly what I'm going to do. Use it for Happy Mail and then the recipient could probably use it for treats or Happy Mail. So today I'm using a die by scrapdivadesigns.com. This is the information. It will be all linked below. The die is called Tall Jack-o'-lantern. So her stuff sells out so quick, so it's faster than I can craft. Some stuff is on pre-order, so you are still able to order if it's on pre-order, and which is amazing. This die comes with 5 pieces. Let me share the die with you. This is the die here. You do get a base, a layering piece for that base, and then you get 2 faces to go on top of that layering piece. I'm also using a bat from scrapdivadesigns.com. It's one of the gumball add-ons for Halloween. I will have that linked below in case you want to check that out. So as far as the faces go, I want to show you my prototype here. So this is what it looks like. You get a male and a female version, or if you want to look at it as one with no eyelashes and one with eyelashes. And so these are my prototypes here, so you can kind of figure out what it's going to look like. So let's go ahead and get on into making this. And so what you will need first, let's start with the base of everything. So you will need one of the layering pieces, which is this here. So you'll need one of those, and you will also need 2 of the base pieces. This one doesn't have I cut off the stem here, so you will see in a bit how that works out. This is it here. You will need 2 of the base pieces, and again, all I did was snip this one off, and I'm going to score them and score at 1 3/4 and then 2 1/4. So those are the marks there. Let me show you what you will need for the layering pieces. So as far as the layering pieces, you will need 2 sides. You will also need a bottom. You'll need the piece for the front flap. You'll need a piece for the back flap. And then you will need a extra piece that I cut out. So this is the layering piece, and this one goes right on there. This is where I'm going to have all of the Happy Mail in a bag, and you will see in a bit how that turns out. As far as measurements, I'm going to have them linked below because sometimes I do mix up my measurements and I don't want to say that out loud. People get upset, so I'm going to link all of it below. You'll see, oh, these right here, you will also see how you cut and score them. So these are the sides that I made here, and all I did to round the corners is to put it into a corner photo punch. And let's get started with the 2 bases. Again, I snipped off the stem there. So these are exactly the same piece. Let's go ahead and get started with that first. And then we could start building our box pouch. It's more of a pouch than a box. But let's go ahead and do that. I'm going to go ahead and glue these 2 pieces together, like so. Real quick, if you want to cut this part off, because this right here, this piece here is super long, you can snip that off and then have it a little bit smaller. I'm just going to leave it like so. This makes it easier for me to measure, so that's all I'm going to do there. Before I go any further, I wanted to show you what it's looking like so far. So I did add the flaps. I added the front panel here. So now I'm just going to glue the little tabs in and secure it. So I'm going to do the flaps. It's going to go to the back like so. And these 2 little smaller tabs right here on the bottom will go in the inside. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. it's coming together. Here is our pocket. You can insert anything you'd like in there. This is probably too big, but as you can see, we have a pocket. Yay! So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to glue it down with some liquid glue. There it is there. So let's go ahead and glue on the front panel. So here's the front panel here. I'm going to glue that on. I'm going to go ahead and glue on the sides and the bottom. Okay, it's all set. I glued down the sides. Now, I didn't mention this earlier, but you will need 2 stems, and I cut this out of glittered cardstock, and I just wanted something shiny. I'm loving black glittered cardstock this year for some reason. So I did make a rosette. I haven't made rosettes in so long, and I just enjoyed it. I think I want to make some more as well. It was so fun. I'm adding this ephemera piece from the 31 collection by Frank Garcia and Prima Marketing. Okay, so let's go ahead and decorate this. The front's going to be fairly simple. I will have some eyelash trim in here. We're just about done here. Everything's coming together nice. I want to show you the picks I made. So I made this out of fun foam from Hobby Lobby. This is like a, probably like a lavender colored. I added the bats here from Scrap Diva. Made a pick. I need to add a bow. Here is a bat for my stash, and oh my goodness, I've been looking at a lot of party crafters that make party invitations and party centerpieces, and they have been doing lots of glitter on all of their stuff, and I just love it. So I added some glitter bits there, and I also added some French knots here with some sequins, and I just love it. I added that to my felt pick. This is a felt pick. You guys know I love to make felt picks, and I make them always for my mini albums. This is the Ghost Tag die set from scrapdivadesigns.com. It can also be a felt pick, so I made it into felt, as you can see there, and I stitched an X. I love stitching X's for Halloween. Added the fabric trim that I made, added a charm there. This is a charm from Michaels, added some ribbon. This is ribbon from Michaels, added a star with a French knot and some sequins. So the eyes are French knots as well. This is a scrap piece from another die set. Okay, we got all of that covered. I just love this ghost. It's such a cute little ghost. So all of my picks are there. And let's go ahead and start with the Happy Meal back panel. So here is, I chose to go with the eyelash jack-o'-lantern with eyelashes. I'm just gonna glue this here, and let's go ahead and do that. All set. Let's go ahead and add the Happy Meal. So I made this sequence mix. This one was from a kit I made a while ago, and I still had a little bit left, so I decided to use it. I added a bat sticker. These glitter bat stickers are from Dollar Tree. You could add a charm as well. I may just dangle a charm from the neck of tube holder. So I'm just gonna add it there. And then here I made a tiny rosette. I'm just loving making rosettes. This is simple, so the recipient can decorate as needed. So I just added that glitter bat there. That is a sticker. And what I wanted to add this, but it doesn't fit. Maybe it'll fit in the other, probably in the back or something. But I'm adding this here. This is the potion bottle that I made in the last video. So this will go right in here. And then the rosette here. So that's it there. I just love this. I made, this is a tag. This is a chipboard tag from the Hey Pumpkin collection. It says something like, if you were a ghost, you still be my boo. And I thought that was so cute. and then just added this flag. These are all of the trims that I've been making, and then I just added some pieces there so that whoever gets this can make their own as well. So there's one that's already made, and then there's this polka dotted one that you can add with this one and just sew it all together, and it will look so cute. So here is my simple flag. I made it similar to like the old Maggie Holmes flag and just added some stitching here. Star is a punch, and it is a hand punch from Hobby Lobby, and you could pick that up. I believe they still have it available. And so all I do is just insert it here. Oh goodness, I just messed everything up. Okay, so just insert it right here. If this doesn't fit, it's gonna go on the outside of this Happy Mail, and it will be tied with another, it'll go on top, tied with some ribbon, and we are set to go. So let me go ahead and get a bag so we could set all of this together. Here it is. Here is the Happy Mail. How cute does that look? I just love how it looks. So the girl jack-o'-lantern is in the back. So cute. Just insert it inside here. There is the Happy Mail. Let's add all of the pics. Oh my goodness, she's looking so cute. Let me add this pic here. Let's add this one in the back. There we are. Oh, how cute. Want it on this side. Yeah. Now this hand. Okay, the hand's not gonna fit. Okay, so this will be right on top, and I will show you how I do that. Not fully done. However, I just wanted to share with you how it would look. However, this is gonna be in my shop. If you'd like to purchase it, it will be there. And if you want Boo Mail for Halloween, this is perfect. So I did use the Celebrated ribbon from Michaels. I just love these ghosts. They're so cute. This is what it looks like. I just love it. I put a little hand there. So cute. All the links will be listed below. It's Buzzing with V at ko-fi.com. And this concludes the video. I hope you enjoyed it. I will see you in the next one.